107.1.
You are from a Dr. Benson, Okoman Akwaaba of Okoman Akwaaba of Shoe Fabric, Akwaaba of Agro Farms, and a Bakubia, as I am as well, Pamoso, Edison, Dino, Epetuga, Afiason, Ibitudra, Mema Nananum, Afishiapa, Ukwapemia, Afishiapa. I am for work, we are coming in and be official. Or driver betray my seven say, Obi Biara Doku, a member to Jurano, Obafa, Pa, Pa, Febra. Cronde, Elisabia, and Apple from Abahapa, for Fonsiane. Now, feed him so called me as 70 Obaba Bokrom, or what you will know, yea. The moment we have Japa, or we be able to be an ocean or Monsieur. Na me aduma ojoda ya oda ye gogo ball ojoda fida ni abo finance eye top 4 ani ye gogo e wo college park so a ye femi PTC a obia enim ye ba ye sre se obia mra no me hwebi se na enko fefefe se na nanu ya fi etwa mu no eye last year ni na ye boy no eye no sa pepe enu mu top 4 na ye boy dure enti no bibia mra no bia so bad say medical can show sie was no asan ko waso ya ofi bai pepepe me mo bibia afishia pa afeti say na yati ase na asan ahia bio me do bibia na ase
Okoman Radio okriapimayano
wo from me Mr. Dennis Oradudu me asafu penhine our Presbyterian asafu our friend Peace Congregation. I'm saying Mirimu, Ocean from Melba, a Udran Frama, and Intina Yama, Yahu, official pa. Then American is a young Shaya Husi, a Mirimu de Yama Bibrina, Eba, Cruimu, and Intina Yakoya Safwa, Yerema Yahu, official pay, Nerika say young Shaya Husi. Now would you rate me, I crabeshe. Now what Budia, or Bundimpa, Afe Ukwapmahu. When Yaminka Yinahu. Amen.
Okoman Radio okriapimayano
Baya me na akromia ibiri na frem mama na Okomanfo nyina me ma won Afrisiapa me ma John Peter Afrisiapa me ma Okore Afrisiapa me ma Opoku Afrisiapa me ma Opoku brother Pehene ono so me ma na Afrisiapa me ma busuafo ewo nyina Afrisiapa mfinko mebu on fiso afidanti sebri no Okoman aye kakra no Okoman aye krabehwe no Okoman yebo Okoman a na trese nipa ho popo Okoman won koso na hwehwe efe Okoman ni amoye ye pese mutiro motabem na mutiro motabem ekropo manyina do Okoman fo yafe ye da won ase ni atan aye memi adwuma enne Okoman nti ye maye adwuma ye da won ase papa Afrisiapa mfinko megu mu feso wai mfinko megu mu feso mo adwuma nkoso ene ye hwehwe ye mama Afrisiapa
Okoman Radio okriapimayano
midende na nadidie amonokrom de ma adofo ina erba udrei Afrisiapa ye mo kwaso kuse eni de biara esene fata esemu ba na mo wabeti na mo de boa kroi ukrapemai koso ye sere na nanom se onfo mo nyina amra medura sudwim omo konso ananom se anhwaho mo so onfo mo kodura sudwim bibi boni biara ebetum biara ye sere nyame se ompani nyina du ye sere adofo nyina se ye jumu nyina wa tu momra na mama me kaye ho nyanya amonoko manjas man nkwaso okuapeman so nkwaso na emfa ne ntuma pa emfa na face said ye na say we adom ne yeti nkwamu a oh ebe ye fe ya da mo asi yama mu nyina afisia pa
Okoman Radio, Okriapimayano.
I'm Okoman. Na no sim kwatia. I'm Okoman hene. Oso mo bia fisia pa. Na no su afukoko. Rebo hene. Osumenya o. Na kuntu mensa. Na no sim kwatia. Oso mo fisia pa. Na oyo man osim kwatia. Osi one man ni ugo mengi. Safia ko. Na afia ba. You to catch them and say, I'm my fish up. Winning nature, when you come, top of grass. Now, one summon. Now I'm recommending bomb. Me, Achiam here, and no sympathia, and a man Kwaba, and a country mensa, three boy hene, as soon as hene, Obi Biara way in yam, so rest some, while I'm looking with her. I found caught, now I feel better. I feel that to say, here won't come. I fish up.
Okoman Radio, Okriapimayano.
Yo, me mama Felicia Po, Okoman fo. And I'm a sister, my throne. She said, what's the money at you and Cassa? Hey, we are there. It's your Bibia, Okoman fo. It's your Bibia, Felicia Pell, for you, the Chojura. You didn't say a moon Juran Cassa. Oh, Judea. Oh, I bet you decake. Maybe I saw for Kwame Mpere A.K.A. Papa Kaumbi. Ana Mwanga so Kaumbi. Obia, me mamunyina Frisiapa. Okoma for Mama Frisiapa.
Okoman Radio, Okriapimayano.
Your friend ma test. A.K.A. Kuso, Mrs. Kuso. Ya danyamia sise afia kwa baba tyen. Ya dokoma ase. Me santi ya me mame na wia otibu. The batteries are neck, I say. Yamana Fishapa, I think Comrameton in Fiso now, Afibia Comrameton. The Santiana now, Aslanima. The batteries are from Adiana or Chiani. I am Mrs. Koso. Emma Okuma Fishapa, Emma mine Afishapa. Yadamasi. Afishapa, mine, and your command.
Okoman Radio, Okriapimayano.
Nana Bosompra, alias Kiki. A young station now, and the Yabaman, you to be a bafaka, on Maha, near Mana, Lorry and Nam Fancy Airport, and your Buba for me. Now we become now we be sad, Yenya, Naya the Amma, Nanny the Super or the Wapu Asum game, or the Abba Asum game. Now the Waba Asum game. And the answer that Okoman FM, Okoman TV. Say on so we be a young won't be Nakarana. You know, one be a high and get a report more than your man menu. No one so no, you wrong actually. And the as I'm Kakaram to be a ministration on my forecast. Yeah, Afishapa, Yamobia, so Afishapa, Okoman Station. Mobia, Munina, Munyan, Yansu Yajimunia, and Yajo Kumanso, Atum.
Me brother penning us. It's an said on an Oshe station where you station can lay only say Ketua, now Susana Juma Papa. Now, how to say, Obi Bira, what's an a free moa? Nasa work of Fodia, so work on Grand, Nasa Obi Bira, a Besangaba. It's an say, why Juma Papa or Hapa? Eti Yadawangasi. Say warrior Jumadiama Ugapman. Aha. He said, say Obako and Cran, Obako for radio. Yes, Oba every station have a Faka and San Wako. A brew a propong station. Yanama Wonina Fishapa, Vigina, Nanakwame Nakuana, Marichiana no pay. Aha, Nagopon to Nankanasu, Naku no Koso, Nabidiana Kama. You know, say I had it as Mugewa. Aha.
Afi akwa samba tu yebio na afi akwa samba tu yebio se ya wori kenden emrine ni sa wubatu nyom wayi wo handkerchief papa bi aprumo ediasa ade urade asesronko esa ne se yekoda se wufu ya sori se akrati asofo asamiri moja edi afusani woyemu a na esafata sasa se yede aseda Edema Osuru Hini Nyankopon no. Se nyumo wonda boshi. Onyankopon yedawase. Ewurade ene no nkpen. Yehowa ene no nkpepa. Akpe kata. Swati asiye. Ewurade abomode yuwa fi wakam. Wanyuwa fi kodana amanihuru abebrasa atete ya samre. No wuna mu a wore twenden onia emre na ni say wi abrei minim ba bia obutu minim adepotin awore ye na mojitum se awurade agjow se awurade agjow fa fese ya ene abomode ansa wo beto nwum wo ibi awo to be ah wajama kanyina mami na ena asama mede bra was words of motivation efi ya papa eye Duncan Williams, Pastor Duncan Williams on any founder the man Action Chapel International asemi akwasi adai me bo modin ajimre etie fi no na me hu said the man was preaching. The man was telling me something. Na esafata se me no beba be che asem we. I said don't stop the process. Don't stop the process. Na mame fa asem we entwam. Se papa catch us don't stop the process. Process be no ka ho asem po wo ho. Hwe donzi nyakopon bo ni pakese. Na wonya we Bible na me yati asese ye moja tokra da ye ma me yam no. Ewurade nim yedin. Onim ne entia obo yen. Ena onim dwumo de ye ebedi. Na tie me e. Abushia ubehu fi bi mu wo hu. Empem bebre o fi we de. Wonya ye so kware pe e de asem nam. Ubo uze efi bi mu. Abushia me no kasai. Ensa se opeja kakra bi na nyame ye nadom na yesa kakra e ba ni nsam a ubehu an se ensa esei no efie bi mu oswa nyamisuro e wana afamu opeja kodum pampansuo bi a wani beba onso na cha se wahwe ase na fe krono na e ba ba hya ne ma na fe indrubone na de ne ho agim but awi abrei me babe ka say me chiro and papa I tap into your anointing this afternoon asema okanya etoma koma ponso and he say obi ti say Joseph ye nyina ye Joseph ye nim ne say ye wo no na onene nua eye Benjamin and efi maame baako na okache ni nuanom se o munim bibi empem bebre meso daye na nantwi nketuare mene yakese eburo nketuare mene yakese afa mi bomadin ahwe wiem so a mitimi u star kase pa na samrei star no so star nketu atwa ho ahia na sabe ni owani ni owaso enim ni awoka akwa we person kire se obedi yeso ekoba si yenton Joseph natie and then yeti ameka say don't stop the process no obi wo onu ma okwa hunyenyia mu kakra bia no office Awurade apanachi yeton Joseph ade konko asum ankosi wa yeton no ma enkoa enko asum no ena ni masters ni susa koton no san konko asum fufuro mu. So look at this. Joseph enam process bi mu. Abushia me ka kosi se ekwawie ye no okwawie eye ohene Potiphar fie. Yen kwoti a Potiphar yire se Joseph person ne da. Eno so ensi wa ene eto no small boy you want big meat chop. Akwala keto wo pempani na mare. Ene eto no to afiase. Na afiase wotie ne ka NCO Ohene ne so daye bi. Ni ye obi so obekire daye ni mu. Natie. May the favor of God locate you wherever you find yourself. Onyankopon atom no ehwehwe wo baabi awo bia. Se ebusua fi se omayi utukyere. Se afoforo fi se samre wo wiase aba wa wieye. Se afoforo fi se nyankopon apawachi a. Awurade ma na adom ni mpagya wo baabi awo enawie yi. Na sambe yodefo. Abusua ye chinye hwehwe obi obekire eye ohini daye yase. Ye nyo obi ate so obi oye okoa. Akoa samre won koaso mu a oda fiase. Ene ye ka so o ye nkofa ne mra. Na ne wadi kan kire daye bia so wafia na se. So odofo wo enche ye beyiw. Ema mpampa so ye yi no. Eji ekoba asa no ohene no ahwehwe obi obetimi abekire daye yase. Ana obo omodin aka kire ohene so ohene. Minimum akwa bi wa fiase. Oso daye me so daye pa. Ana mene ne kasa no kire me daye na se nchi ebeyi me ne se me wa he. Enti ebeya yemfa daye yenkodan no na obekire yase. Emuana Joseph ati daye yase kire ohene na se ka kire ohene so ohene. Hwe ekomu besi abo okuro yi mu. Daye ya wosu ni nyina enie ekomu ebesi wo kuro yi mu. Enti mun sha ase mommoa aduane ahodo bebre. Na Bible kira abra ohene ni yo setietie Joseph asem no. Ampa okomu siye. Emma Nyankopon anu onyam dadi. Emma Nyankopon eyi Joseph fiase. Efa ohene no so di Joseph fie na se. Natie obi ana ko yakwa da fiase no. Yamani post bia. Ye peda no straight to Prime Minister. Entitie enuanoma sambre ye tono no. Omo ba ye say ye be pe aduane ato. E wo kura Joseph ye Prime Minister wo hoyi. Ekoba asa sambre wo huni nuanom. E ho ano se hwe munim bibi. Muma Benjamin entra ha. Munkofa mu papa mra. Na mode mu papa ne ba me wasemi ameka ache mo. Nyankopon se me nka nkire wa wiabrese che na che enso enka hoda. So don't stop the process. How amanihunu enimguase atete ya wo famu ni nyina no estafata sese wo famu hwe awurade nankasa no eye ne ba no ofani posu eye den eto ne ho so sane ebeya me no bone obetimi abomoden aye den agiye fimu enti obaye ye wo no efa Mary yam ye bo modin atete no didiye onumusuo oye bibia achi se nipa awiye bire no abusua ye bo na senuam na asenua no so no ka se eja mawie enti sa wutie mi awiabre yi na ofi se awurade apawachi wutie mi awiabre yi na ofi se wo wiase nyina ba na wie ya trust and obey, for there is no other way to be happy in Jesus. You only have to trust and obey the process. As a wuji samre anamu awurade ahyase ni wutu no. As a wuji tum se e cha kura be ye eso kokokokoko kura damma bi awurade be man nsa so. But you can never do this alone. As a wuhia sane ye bompa ye adita ni awurade adi san wo akwa mu no. Hwe empem bebre ye kase bonsam ni hu anankofo oh bonsam ye ni wi bonsam ho ade bia wodin bia no e wasase so ade bia wodin bia no e wasase so. I've grown to understand certain things in life say and we are see yetim abraba ye boy see ye kwa adwumam see ye kon sorry baby biara ye ko bia no. It is only prayer that can see us through and pai bonku to de betimi din asum pempenso a ye pese yedu enti awiabre me no kasama me se jitum ohaw wasu kakra ye wasese kakra ye wobise ho ye jitum se awurade edo fatibia bi mu sani ebeyi afoforo beka se enye donzi na na nantififie be adwuma yi enya brantie na sabe nanka ni obedi kura ye din enye maami no waware be se mfirihia bebre a ontimi wi enye sambre abrantie na na nitie wu a onim hwie na Yakobon ye na dom yi Awurade pesa afoforo hu ne nsankyerene. Awurade pesa afoforo hu kese oye. Awurade pesa afoforo tenase. Na eya empem bebre nipa pre ne ho. Nipa ntie Awurade ase. Esane se nipa kwan enye Awurade akwan. Trust the process. Taxi driver. Trotro driver. Wo pomade hairdresser. Adwuma bia wo ye bia. Fashe utimu se. Esanse wom. Na esinso a Awurade so oma wa hoden na oma ba mbo sonko. Yenya kupon no wundi ye. Ososoro hene. Abresemadu kata wire be ma pambo nyakopon buruburu basaku no. Ompeja wo fi adumu nko adumu. Oma wo tenase. We na me hrefi ni ho awiabre e de amawo. Agidifo nyina nye me so say amen kese pa. Ya from in na Kwame Mpere ubetimi afam the finest. Emema nyina ka hwene me eha Okoman 97.1 radio, and this is the Surfers Drive. We and Ghana for ajatum sampa. Ye kan sempa, ye show crying, ye pejaw, ye ma hum simpempesuo bi na fe yagieni. Abusia me 3 hours on radio is never going to be waste. Memu weni ajemborso ene o radio yi so. Once again, Akwaaba Drive na wutie no. Tie nwum we na fa cheche wo hwe.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I have been through. You turned my pit into a well. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Wadum. I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me.
Okoman Radio.
My test is now a testimony. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Wadum. It was you, my lawyer in that courtroom. It was you, my soldier on that battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Wadum.
Okoman Radio.
Hey, Adumo, Nyame. Adumo, Adum. Adumentina metiasi. Hey, Wadumtina mewoho. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Wadum. Hey, Adumo, Nyame. Adumo, Adum. Hey, Adumentina metiasi. Hey, Wadumtina mewoho. Lord, the essence of my praise is
Okoman
centered
Radio
on your grace.
97.1.
Adum,
Okoman Radio.
Who has changed my story? Who has given me a song? Turn my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. Could not have made it without you. Hey. Could not have sailed through without you. Your loving kindness, grace, and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my praise
Okoman Radio.
is centered on your grace. Adum. Could not have made it without you. Hey, could not have sailed through without you.
Okoman Radio
Your loving
97.1.
kindness and grace and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my faith is so centered on your grace. Adum. Hey, Adum. Hey, Adum entina metiasi. Adum na metiasi. All the essence of my faith is centered on your grace. I am healed, I am free. So the essence of my praise is because of your great
Okoman Radio.
it is you and just your praise. Could not have made it without you.
Oh my God.
But I made it through without you. Your loving kindness, grace, and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my praise
Want you?
is centered on your grace.
Mintikra. Atum. What?
Could not have made it without you.
Acro Farms Limited. Abushiano Mobo Modiga so my saying America Fade Decay. Abushian Medibra wo baby I will be a
Kindness and grace
not hear me
brought me
Ojura Abbey.
through the essence
Yabaya a money ni a mamre
of centered
Sabi
praise.
Ojura ba a what wo baby ta srasra yen. Enti ena awo papa akra baby obutu bia ne baby a wo sha wo tie me. Acro Farms Limited in Penny for say spent legacy ayan kokwa sambre yatete so oma to awie oma tunkosu awie a oma nam de yatete so fofofo sebra na betobi na wo so fasom wa hoho enuane sama wo beye aduane ne nien jollof anaza wo be wo fufuo ene men kwan ana katekwan aduane bia wo beye bia ahoho yi ebi pe menkwan ebi pe konkonte ebi pe banku ebi pe fufuo na enye ye nyina na yebenya sika kotomponche enti aba no sa Acro Farms sebra na wo de abomodin abedi spent layers ibi
Who has changed my story?
eye 18 Ghana cedi per bed
Me a song
o ma teso fofofo
singing to dance.
anka obekọ mountain so na nkukọ 35 cities 40 cities ebi to 150 cities oh ho Acro Farms in Penny Force what the beje 18 Ghana cedi enti restaurant ahodo mo mo baye fried rice mo mo be che bayira ton ene mo asamre mo baye indomie mo baye nnuane ahodo nyina mo de mo mena ya so ye wa pasare ana se bomodin tie me de numbers yi be ma wo frem pani pa wo beje wo so na ba bia wo bia no omo no wadi ano baba ye na omo de abrew ye were 12 weeks cockles and also 8 Ghana cedi per bed ya bomodin bomo empane nyina esafata se ye bomo empane ni bi ni Marix NB1 Gamboro NF4 Pox na frempani mechere Acro Farms Limited I was 0245 187871 0245 187871 and 0553 339355 0553 339355 na wobeje uso adopo awio anwumro wobeje uso Acro Farms Limited osebra na beje enkoko na fadi dwumadie bia wo pese odidi mami fasera kese ni enchie mu odin enkoma eye Michael Asari bedi ako papa Asari and adodo na frel nyami shraw afe doctor Opoku Benson nyami shraw afe ena meka ena owo abrempon owo adehye sabi obia pass amire odi kontomire eye nkwanso wasa wani ngo mama yao michiao ena sabi bia boko de awo nani aminchia mi manager ononyamfo Kofi Ansobafo Basman nyami shira baby awo bia utie me Naminda adwumayefo nyina mu wo fie ase. The love is deep.
Could not have sailed through without you.
Abusia nche mesesa mensano. Ba me kai wo se. We ene the Surfers Drive in the heart of the capital. Ekropon ekwapem berima twumi hini Memorial House. Amanfo ekropon opposite the Parliament Sport Ekufu Road Neswa and Assembly Okoman 97.1 radio yebutu. Enti dwumadie bia wodi bia wo pasa woni edinsa wo so no. Wo ho akwanya. Se anopa ewia enwumere you just walk in. Brani eni nkomo. Ni enkasa. Yabo no so efo pa. Etisa abetie. Inside the sea, pesi enu nyimbom. Watimase. Mami koji abuafo. Ayen kratoi. Na nia me pesa watimase ase. Aye exactly. On the 14th, 15th, 16th. Bibi Besi will chill out. Natini Ekoso I will chill out on the 14th, 15th, and 16th.
Oh yeah.
Straight from the top. Okay, happy mind. Are you ready? Ojiro, Chill Out Restaurant present Ojra Timeout. Michira October Busumi. Abushia on the 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th of this month. Jengina Ekwape Mountains. It's all about Okwape Ojra 2021. Abushia Chill Out Jujumedia Bebre na Shishaso on the 14th. Chill Out Ojra Akwaaba Day Out. On the 15th, Ayo Ojra Family Day Out. On the 16th, Chill Out Party Train. 17th, Ayo Meet Me There with Okoman 97.1 radio. Chill Out Ewa Ekropon Ekapem Enkane Abrantia Anes and I say Siabedani Chill Out no Yawa Divisional Police Officer in Chemupe. Chill Out say Ojra Bra Niendi Boom 2021 Ojra Festival Ewa Chill Out Restaurant Wakopon Ekapem Oria Kayo Yawa Niania Wudu Bebre both local and continental Ewa Chill Out Eji Ojra Ebeye Desrungu Eye Chill Out Ojra Timeout.
Oh, that's the one in the building.
Kaya Sajimadiye, it is being powered by Okoman 97.1 radio. Yani Chill Out Restaurant and Akabum and Yade Bro. Akwaaba Surungo. Eye Chill Out Restaurant and a refresh.
Yo, Okoman FM. My say, Oplekese Jan Edu, and St. Paulo man a friend. Yo, radio bako pedo pese witia, intimi to baby, fat Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, uni size.
Okoman Akwaaba, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Me din de A.K.A Castro, me wa Mandela Market. E ho na me ye watching. Castro ba ko pe no size. Okoman fo ma ja de papa. Me felem. Okoman fo ma man ke ye be wu o. Okoman fo ma je ni nyina mummo ne yo. Ye mama adwuma pa ene ne pa mo de abo man yim. Ye nso ye kura masen twe.
Okoman radio for me damasepa me matwe na me kase me nsaka makoko me adwuma den ne me homodin a me bo Okoman radio ti me nsaka makoko Okoman radio maba moku apman ampa Okoman radio ye damase
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Supreme or try and get me. Or try and I made you my money. I made you my son on the name. I want to know to be. Now I won't try and get my money. Or try and I made you my son. It's a man, I mean, once I see you, I'm a young photo.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Politicians working home with the only about them a mutual. One time around this won't blow.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Was it Jesus music reciprocal? Watch out with them, and then you see what's a woman. Word that I am in the man. Was I see though, a baby, Miss Woman in I did chin at the same, what to collection, I did chin at the same, what ball at I did chin at the same, what did I buy, I did chin at the same, what to
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
A person for what you're to do so. Once a son of one, I'm a sure of the I can just miss one year, I am the man about a brand new Tamalo Hula. The Basel lawyers not judges also. I'm about 2 weeks in the phone.
And the 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, of Legacy Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, radio Bakopedo Pesa Utia, Intimate to Babia, but Okoman FM 97.1. Ha, Uni side.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okoman FM. My yourself, of Legacy Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, radio Bakopedo Pesa Utia, Intimate to Babia, but Okoman FM 97.1. Ha, Uni side.
When you was weather, was sort of mental, no someone to Mancasa. When you was weather, was sort of mental, no someone to Mancasa.
Okoman Radio, Okoman Radio, Okoman you cramuche.
Must work at here, man, if you want me, one mamma review, my breath, one mamma Sabia, one mamma Sabia, my breath, Mr. Mamma Cabio, Mamma Cabio, my breath, I am one mamma Cabby, one mamma Cabio, my bro.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
When you are some weather, I know so much to my casa, I saw someone to my casa. When you are some weather, I saw some casa.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
tebio, my bread. Oh, mama casa. Oh, mama kebio, my bread. Oh, mama kebio, my bro.
We are blessed. Okoman Radio
97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, yes, baby. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey, Okoman Radio. Me person me to pipi ma odo. Ama wa unse. Lido iya some come me ani. Me person me si odo you are you from. Ama wa unse.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Obinti sano. Ade wa mama si asese. Waji matum na kumem. Mama mi si ma ya me jeje. Love me.
Abraham Maneka say, Mom's joint back up it. A man for a kufu road. Okoman Radio. Oh, we a champion, Massy. Okoman from my bank and you. Can you cry? Must say that Pia. Minimum have broke cry, no poor you and a jewel. There should be a museum. When is size one?
It's a million day who that one. Namirin and your memoir. Or don't call me on. And I'm a marriage train. And your mother by. And then come your way.
Okoman Radio.
Yes, I go promotion, my party. Or they want Banabe. Yes, I don't see your mensa. No, be your man. I got it for be your man. I am a contam on no. Send any country one. I pass answer the
We are blessed.
Oh, be child of color.
Mieja kese Okoman asofua tumowie gije ke to bare to bu afa Mieja kese Okoman asofua tumowie gije ke to bare to bu afa pesa me kase mimi fie okuwa ye fun judge yourself Okoman yenso ni na ne power ha
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Anyway, time check is at Sally 56 after 3. And then exactly the 11th day in the month of October 2021, a taxi na maminjia ebri na yentwamu embra ahrease obosomase tutufuo nie na yamomode enwuramu ewo mampon abutachi na yambra amonochrome ojro amonochrome fuo nie afemi momode yamowuramu wo manfe nana ansa srasraku anene mpanyene michiamo ewiabrei makura se bibia bokode na me momode yampiem ewo Latte Junction na mumowura Latte nana esiodu oko ohene michiawo memamo eye afishiapa afa me samachia somebody akroponie michia akropon ahimfu nyina mpanyini nyina ade samre addition adefia mu wokrom ye momode yankopie mu wabiru nana Kwame Hineku wono mpanyini samre michia mo echia adehia wabiru afa yadu daudia nana achia nana michia wono mpanyini afe okugwa osabarima opese kunadu nana uzi edini osabarima opese kumdu maminchiao na minchemia meja nana edusa into ampam ohene minyaumpo afe mi twamudia na mi momodi yankopiomu ewo adukrom nana otutu ababi odi fif ehuna bobirim ahene wono mpanyene michiao na faminchi asese so okatachi obo adum ahene michiao eni abonse afeminko aprede na minchia aye ahene wono mpanyene michechi amunyina na femu amu asrema miwo aya pipo wase ankosi aya ma 14 mamichia ma 14 taxi drivers and drivers union michia musamo ho ya de na femi momodi ankopie mu ewa manfrom yensi krutiase tinko adosu afe mabomodia kwohye awo nkrakan asese wafo mi chechia mu nyina afe koforidia betonfo etesen sushemu amu wafidiase Morovia Order State Snit mi chechia mu nyina wo HDVL anu koforidia baby obutu bia utie me minyaumpo wate eni amamemro okurase dia nani emenamu abepie mu apasare akro farm sajuma yefo nyina michiamo gidi onie woni manager ni adwuma yefo aka nyina michechi amu nyina wa akro farm opare Michael na tedan sa ho ya de na memra tinkom minchia tinkomfo afi adosofo etesen asase oko mi jamri so bia ho ye na mo ho ye se ya ne mani ajepa esa ne se me ne mo beche asem de bi odwira ba na kroma ye dededede ene no mampani bi a watwa mu ko o se kroma ye dededede se milk and hana chill out odra aya time out Nebuchadnezzar on the 14th, 15th, 16th and 17th October 2021 Mia me ye de adwuma. Aye nipa adwuma nipa ho adwuma. Enso me obi a me mpa nipa mu bebre saa. Da na me nam touchline. Na ne den. Wo pa ba bia abusua no. Ebetimi ama o mani jetimi asipi asita. Eno an chill out wo kropo ne kwapem. Na chill out wo continental and local dishes. Enuane ne ne na apesa woni abusua ne di. Enwom no ne na mo pesa mo sa. Ye bebo mo nwom. Okwapi ne bese ye behu mo nwom. Ne madi asa esu bi mada. Mo bra makoda asa abusua. Chill out ashiche jumadi sonko kra. What the Odra Akwaaba Day Out. Enti me no kasa idi aka nafua be se me yensape. 14th October pepe ne the Odra Akwaaba Day Out ni hia. On the 15th year Odra Family Day Out. On the 16th year Chill Out Odra Party Train. Na bushia wo pese wani je no esipi esita Chill Out Sunday. It's Sunday on the 17th, you know. Bomadiana kofilo ho. Na fo dwrane ba na wie yakura. Na kayo. Message Chill Out to local any continental dishes. Nyenyane se wo be place wo dance wadu ho. Anasa wudu ho a aduane no sema pet na ye krado na wo be didia ne sa. Frempeni was 055 4039939 055 4039939. Chill out or dry time out. Together we create a fan. Remember the show is being powered by Chill Out Bar Restaurant and our media sponsors in Okoman 97.1 Radio. Chill out or dry time out. I say we create the fun together. Okay. Young way. Famomo. Give it to them. Cha hunda diasa. Wind it up. Cock it up. Wind it up. Cock it up. Wind it up. Cock it up. Na udi asay na. Hwasa wafade no. Eye wudin na. Enye wudin di aja wo yawa. Hwe odwira ya yedi. Ehyaase enne. Nyampa mpanyinfo abomoden kyerɛw. Odwira isa ne ebesi fa akɔ. Enne ewani yampanyini bɛyɛ. Echina ewani yampanyini bɛyɛ. Wednesday ewani yampanyini bɛyɛ. Thursday ewani yampanyini bɛyɛ. Ɛna Friday. Ebe pinso. Bakai. Ahɔhɔ reba krom. Kromani kyerɛ obɔbere wate. Okuyapimo ojira te say ye Christmas. Enti me no ka se nkrofo apempam ade pamfo edu samre ya no wobo ye so dwai pa. Ade pamfo eja ko abtela na mo te say ACP sa wo ho ye de Mr. Anani senior prophet. Ade pamfo edu samre ya jai omukoko season na ani na obia samre wapom ade ache anima de pemu skills ade pemu eye strategy nyina no entoma no ye wudi na wo de hwesa ne ojojo style no ema wa ho ofade kura pie sononko anopa mi pie adwuma manse na mewura me office ara me hu say don't see my fans the boy in the chance ye obede so man nsa so na am say thank you oh le obale unimu a ubehu ninyina ye wudin hwa abusuan wudin wo hu dwumadie bia wo behede akwase bia no wugiram afoforo behwe wa obi beka say you have even still the show why we dwumadie no wudin na samre empani bebre adwodwo enti opani bi hu se sabi o wo hye wudin poso abrante o odi muso oye premani enti sa wo pe wudin na wo nso abusua wadwodwo de adi odwira isronko a bomodi asa wudi wani be kire wudin shop e wo eye Ghana fa na nyina ne titru yen ya we pie mantam de yetia ye ye wo bi wo koforidia Atlantic Plaza nim woni yen kwadi nsawso na niema be kɔ ne kwanso pepepe de amayen Woodin the creator da Famamo give it to them Shade natade ojira ube hade no one tade na nsa kopa bo aye be bu no wo anyways Brakasin na frefre wo na Brakasin na frefre wo mo frefre tse ne anyankonto frefre nsu abusuani awonim na nopa no esanim na nwumere no yen sokane anhwe nanim Brakasin ba enfi ba se biesa ekwa ananie omune ya tena yie na timamufuo bedi adanse a Brakasin ba ye the first pizza joint okuapema ha wunya girl fufuro bi obeka cho se fami ko Brakas natie eba fried rice wo jollof rice pizza chicken anasa chips potato chips anasa shawarma banku ni tilapia abusuani nyina Brakasin ewobi afi snacks nso ebi ni samosa meat pie spring rolls pineapple juice and a watermelon juice afi drinks no de ya wahodo bebre enti so dwere wo bedi afilia enkoya yawa enye Brakasin there is nowhere awowo beba be hwe wunya adaje no wakobba mpesie bi aye nnuane ahodo de amomo ene efre Brakasin I was 0244 246431 and 0245 211386 0244 246431 and 0245 211386 Brakasin osibedidi nefili yeah. Woman but us, something there. Woman but us, something there. Woman in us, something there. What is there? Rado. I say what? There. Rado. Woman but us, something there. Woman but us, something there. Woman in us, something there. What? There. Zop. Anyway, happy entertainment, light and sound system, Nefro. Almost semi etiao. Niamo kane se. Ube hiya canopy. Ube hiya kongwa. Ube hiya tables. Afo ube hiya stage dia di ujume die BS weni so. Ekobane sadia. Wuni how. Yeye me yakra ye womo amobetwa eye kwansi aso tables nkonwa eni canopy afin kran ni mia bia bebreza amoba setup say setup bay for happy entertainment light and sound system amudi bibe mo wa ya fufufu ni opesa wudi ye bia obetimi dia ye wo ye wi ana waja o made amom na akọ na abushia say ye wedding engagement flow to be now baba ya a happy entertainment light and sound system. What woman fear crapim, what ben baby ever flow jijo mususuno from 0275 042594 0275 042594 and 0540 790012. Happy entertainment light and sound system. Also bema jumedi na ekiko. Maminchie the number 1 Donjino. Teacher yo yechiao Jino lawati wan Jino sabi bia boko de uni keke mi chechiamo sabi bia boko afe maminchia Morgan say A.K.A Moji wo nifa senior high school enkane na we house 2 house master says ya de ese ya 2 post so mami hu ya 2 post ni so de sika na do so brani yeni Na abusia, I belongs to Okwapiman Brothers Association. Wasem masem. Intimichia Okwapiman Brothers Association yina. Nana kontiri michiao. Nana bilinio. Amahine buadu yechiao awadu tek. Na mi momodi enchia nana donte hene. Ononyafo eye Kwame Akwaaba ohene se bibia bokode nana chiampem hene wona samire wona anti adwoa eda fam wokropon mami nchiao one vigor me mamu nyina eye good afternoon ebisa mo se mo hote sen ni oni awuo people ani sinisuo nyame na de ma ono ana oje onim ni oye Peace Montessori mpanifo se minchi awo na anwumere awiabrei minka nche osase yete ase a asase yebo modin apefa pempapa edema yemma na eya me sori anopa kra na mini sika wo me kotokuom na me hye da anim ni amedi pressure kura wo me so na me te se me ma no ka brofo te se ko wa me say thank you ni nyina sedaka se nkoma Peace Montessori na me no kasai wawo na wo bai ebia wanya 4 months akwala no se baabi okono na dishia enye ubisani a o say ubisani bia o say be ni oka bia ensi so gunya teacher sambre obetimi ama akwala foundation papa na dachi adofo doctors adofo presenters adofo managers almost wo matimi abeyebi ni yakura ni se wakọ retirement a wani na bibia so ubedu dokro kwa anything na sambre me kan fu Peace Montessori ade ama sabushia bomodia wo ba no omoje nkwala fiti crush KG nursery primary 1 akosi basic 5 currently the admission ekoswa wo hostel junction sambre shoe fabric obisi fabric shoe fabric coin so many impressive colors na your opposite Fre Peace Montessori I was 050-5829-261 and 020-0177-676 and 0279-267523. Peace Montessori I was good access road Omo kroya me no kasai Omo school bus etimi fan kwala ni fi baby a me no kasai experience driver ekuta ne boko besin kwala wo mia nyina obi afi baaye umpewe na apede obeka ya motuam dabi Peace Montessori kayo a one teacher 12 student 15 after 4 Mami momodian koje me first commercials na me da wa wutie me na se abushia wonya mfomoso wo mfomo kura ye ni aka chire ene dos. I'll be right back after this show commercial break.
When peace like a river. Honey, me we abusumi aneni o. Esese me san kwa adwuma. Na mom school papa be so me ben mama me. Ne metumi akoye adwuma asumdwe mu. E na me dwenwu o.
Me do, ade wonti Peace Montessori nkana. Omoji nkwala 54 month crèche KG primary 1 ekosi primary 5. Peace Montessori ewo accessible location. Wasanso wo world secure compound. Asanso wo school bus asambre baby abofra no wo bia wo ba befa no e de na ko school anopa. Excellent tuition and care there. Wontimi omo wodamu befua.
Peace Montessori
Montessori. Anyone who hostel junction hostel at Chihono. A holding Yamata Kran say, wash a mufray and teacher Baku from Mufra 12, Mitre, Mufra Dumiempe.
Sape Pepe, Peace Montessori, I want a cropon equapem, so Pesa Mokasa, a Wahumatro Foswa, and answer Uji in Chemubia, friend number C 050-5829-261, and 020-01-77676, and 0279-267-523. Peace Montessori, Anna.
What domo frakeke?
Peace Montessori, Anna.
1 teacher, 12 students.
No, Mammy, I would dare be. Meaning, dear me to our channel. I was send me pe adia a demonstranco, Emma Quano, Afiway, me pe African Print Fabrica, a yef fedia teacher or my warriors.
Oh, Medo, you cost rather weekendy, as I say, a toshet for Mano.
Within retail stores, I won't men have a beer. Nakoji would into my demonstranco. And I say, and Tadia did designs a demo for an up and pounded it. Wokofodia, the retail shop at our Antarctic Plaza building.
Houdin, le créateur.
Straight from the top. Okay, happy mind. Are you ready? Ojiro. Chill Out Restaurant present Ojra Timeout. Michira October Busumi. Abushia on the 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th of this month. Jengina Yako Ekwapi Mountains. It's all about Okwapimai Ojra 2021. Abushia Chill Out Jujumedia Bebre na Shishaso on the 14th. Chill Out Ojra Akwaaba Day Out. On the 15th, Ayo Ojra Family Day Out. On the 16th, Chill Out Party Train. 17th, Ayo Meet Me There with Okoman 97.1 Radio. Chill Out Ewa Ekropon Ekapem Enkane Abrantia Anes and I say she abeda chill out no your divisional police officer in Chemupe. Chill out say Odre Bra near the Mom 2021 Ojra Festival Ewa Chill Out Restaurant Wakopon Ekapem Oria Kayo Yawoniania Wudu Bebre both local and continental Ewa Chill Out Ojre Ebeye Desrungo Eya Chill Out Ojra Timeout.
Oh, that's the one in the building.
Kaya Sajumadiye, it is being powered by Okoman 97.1 Radio. Yani Chill Out Restaurant and Akabum any day bro. Akwaaba Surungo. A Chill Out Restaurant and a refresh.
And ready my basa power. Chessa wedding I can answer pet baby, who friends Sunny Adrian for Chessa MC Cransum Bassa, Bino Catcher, Mama Maya Bassa, Miunia Mium.
Middle Kawakuma to Yem, meaning happy entertainment light and sound system. New you live pub and restaurant at Dinkomodada. Wedding, funeral, float, and answer parties are Hodwa. Omutimishi Sheju Mediation Kumania Kono, a bass sound system, lighting, canopy, in Koma any tables are over the Josopo.
Chese, one and that will be a very imagine a FFSA.
One name, Eba stage, Gradia, Wabema station, and one happy entertainment light and sound system. You like pub and restaurants, so why a crowd say, in Yanni Papa and in Sapapa, whatever at the amount, Woman Fiakrapim, Omo Bay Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy entertainment light and sound system. And you like pub and restaurant. Omobema wedding, no, aye kiko. Hasani anokoma tell you was this.
Oh, I want my meniaji.
Happy people.
Afrishiapa. Afia chamfete abom pempa betu yembiu. Ojura. Afia no asia biu. Every 11th October, coming 17th October, Okwapman betu ojura. Joda edumfuni abrafo bekwa kobo kwan ekoye ne no matra kan e yama mprobi. Branda no pa krubi fo be yama ne apai ode foforo. Na no bekwa mamprobi akoye amane akofo ojura abo Okwapehine ahemfi. Ukuda Okwapman bezu akai na no ma afenu mu woko wonsumanchi. Yauda Okwapman edidida na obe yama ne akonsori makoma na no maduan. Yauda nara efi anopa no nsia kosi non kron obekọ health work akọtene won pom ni fida no anopa na otwe kosi non du no obekọ akoduadua nua wo magnim fida no ara dwumadi ahoro bi ti say ice screening beach soccer osade soccer tournament inter school quiz competition Mr. and Miss Okuapman ede ne ekeka memre da wo de dwumadi bi ti say basketball competition weightlifting phantom from asan ho agukansi bedaso kwasida no Okuapin ne manfo bekọ akoda nyame ase na wo fi asore ba wo de dwumadi bi ti say beach soccer nkabom street champs e wo abananim na anwumre na otwe kopim du ba akono wo de akuturu bo akansi ahyehye so dwumadi asemti a eda so ne se yenam yen amane ne amamre kwan so eriko Okuapman bom so man bi akon Okuapin ne osia de akwasi akufu a otoso abiesa akufu sabrin pom kukuabene ananse owo apem osubroni e wa ho fedru na akwase bosompra na oni akremoni abrempom na edi asi ka ho se bri kotobri ja ne manfu so mama frisia po mfingu mu mfeso akwahosan openya nkomu ahoden nko na batape man nko na batadi nwintu apenti mfindu nsin de be kukuria no mosi muti ase no de sika kokko de edi achichiro Okuapman ye krabehwe Okuapman ti ase
Akropon Piapim Okoman Radio 97.1
Midin de Ekuya Castro, me wa Mandela Market. E ho na me ye watching. Castro ba ko pe no size. Okoman fo ma ja de papa. Me felem. Okoman fo ma man ke ye be wu. Okoman fo ma je ni nyina. Mummo ne yo. Ye mama adwuma pa. Ene ne pa mo de abo men yim. Ye so ye kura masin twe.
Yo, DJ Prekese ni adofo no mumfa mu radio no ento Okoman Radio na ehwo ye de ye pa.
ACP Kofi Buachi Okoman FM de Pore Amantem anso osin edikanfo niema woreye na wogusu ye na wobeye no se yedeto nsani ani a na chese Okoman edamufua won niema bia wokanso wodi so achede a woche mi Kofi Buachi ACP midi hu adanse se meje mpanga bien dia ye kan se yede won ase ye bo won atena se preko Okoman de yeta mo achi preko pe sani ampanin kan no o se ofie ni fie nti Okoman de obia enti Okoman FM.
Hey guys, it's your girl Ayona Rene. You're listening to Okoman Radio 97.1.
Okoman KK Fusuni. You grab me ba. Okono ya dini ya Okoman be kwa jiwo. Okoman KK Fusuni miti Okoman. Udu grab man ati Okoman.
Your friend me Kwame Mpere A.K.A Akropo Mansina Junction na mo na Okoman Radio ne de bia yeti Okoman Radio we are number 1 nyamishira mpa amen.
Ayebe Adelaide Dubu a me wo Parliament Sports Okoman opposite me de fi anopa kopuma wia anodwofa me wireless de ehwa ne da nti misire mu amuti Okoman nyina se obia nti ho ne ho de nsempa me da mase.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio Medina Sabiti Abdullahi mon fo frère mi yaro munti Okoman Radio da edase.
The 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman, the Kramuche. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Abrama Maneka say, Mom's joint back of it. A man for a kufu road. Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from my bank and you. Kenya cry, must say that we are. Minimum broke cry, no poor, you are not true. There's will be a museum. Only size what.
Okoman A.K.A. Okoman Diniya Okoman Okoman Bekwaji Okoman A.K.A. Kuziniti Okoman Udu Okoman Ati Okoman
The Kramuche. 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio, 97.1. The 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Okoman from my bank, and you can you cry? Must say, baby, yeah, who is size what?
Okoman Radio. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Our kasa kasa, our remote away. Every day my bread. I'm Rami Wano. Now Papa, and Timmy Makuman now. Let me say, Senior, fetching us out now to Bantio. Say what do you need now? Say what do you need to seek up? And if you come and make up, the baby and my bread.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Come and make up, the baby and me die. Maybe one more fetch you men swap for me. Meaning Saka Bamba, you see Kachi Mama Dani Aqua. Meaning Saka
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Come on, come on, and baby and my bread. Come on, come on, and baby and my life. Come on, and baby and me to die.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Now we say we are me. Now we need me who are grow. About to fry we go nyanu. Ama wasuni na ye shishi. Etuli asina dani mtokwe. Ibisa usika na dani asotro.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nami mawati asiasa enye menyi nane ya wayenia enye menyi nane ya trao enye menyi nane
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Edi wa won fechi mensu afamu menim saka mama edi sikechi mama dani akwa o menim saka mama mama mko Come on, and baby, and my bread. Come on, and
Abraham and A.K.A. Mommy's joint back up. A man for a cuckoo room. Okoman Radio. Oh, we are champion. Okoman from my bank and you. Can you cry? Must say, baby, yeah. Minimum have rock cry, no poor you are not true. There soon be a museum. Only size what?
Mimi feel good. I judge yourself. Okoman, you so na ne power ha.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon, Debia Mitie Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Opoji Online. Okoman Radio, Eju Ekwapi Mind. Debia Tie 97.1. Okoman.
You Okoman Moda Mufia, Maba Montana.
Anyone of you wanna, I get me say.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Person make us me feel who I feel judge yourself. Okoman, young son, na the power ha.
Your friend me Grace, Okoman Radio, you are the best, number one. Akwaaba Mountain, so chedi kambo. Yenshiamwa, enkebede. Roots we are fantastic and kasa.
You listen near Safari Valley, Okoman Radio. Why? It's here for more of 58 to Okoman Radio. Me save me a crowd, a machigogo.
Near bear. Egbe pra. Apaja.
Afraid you can't chop no phone control.
Famomo, give it to them. 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 Famomo. Hey. Aye. 39 after 4. Emra so say me bomodian. Eddie asem sebe ebro. But right about time the mama momodian to driver for kakra. Sir, we are driver ni. Eddie and we are driver. Driver ni otimi kwa adwuma ba fia asumdwe so. Enye driver echina pote. Echina kotie. Echina weasi. Echina wey ena ekoso. Men kote ami chief driver. Abuja road safety tidbit mami momodi enchia MTTD4. Michia Ghana aye ambulance service. Nami momodi enchia Ghana Urban Roads. Ghana Highway Authority for Michia munyina sambre. Police service. Mo MTTD na shamase. Na michia empeni nyina. Na mekayo. Sa we are driver. Na uba sorry anopa. Empembe bro starting car na jinso abe osime. Ono call. Driver dey o sorry anopa. Wo check unsuo. Wabo modian hwe oil. Afo wo check sadie nyina awia, wa check brake fluid. Wa hwe o power steering oil ni nyina. Se bibia ye intact ana. Se danigejo enanigejo wa hwe ni abaya afa ho. Afo wo kan no foko wanim kakra. Na bomodian fa bra wachi. na reza u brake system no etesen echi ye ani ofifia pe coffee shop no mo hwema wo na answer na no koka no ho run na say tie ne pressure kura te say answer obesi chrome a wesi chrome abusu oshenkani ana driver ni awutie me ukita dodo nkwa it is want me anya woni ema yi a empem bebere ha adwen eni say nde kakra me de ama wi ubetie watu ho anamo na mpa ekina me de foforo beka ho ade mamena mabedwafo ase na me ka bedwafo na me ka ye no ma bie mu amoto volumes ahodo de tie me ni titiri pa enkoma infin filling station e wo okugwa afi allied filling station Mr. Fianco no tene dan se bibia boko de ana fe manfe so ko total filling station atai woni adofo aka nyina me chiamo afi manpo golf filling station e wo ho me chiamo na ya momode yanko eye golf filling station e wo ebri afi mpediase filling station e ho ni nyina me chiamo some ho ye de total for aje famo give it to them 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 you're from an Kwame Mpere but me are from the finest the meme nyina ka chire de me ya mama kwabo ahoho amu wo krom ojiro na abushia menu kone sadia na enne asemsebe medi kan catch program outline no edema ojrei afi boxing any a day climax no na answer na meba ojira no ho no question na koye say veterans are omoye actors yenu mu assembly ya actor obi ti say titi num and can a taxi driver no wom just a jume movies ahodo na titi play key role okotin kotia yesu oniska or rented apartment and watch no kra na light ye twam onu kro ya me no kasei ni obedi kra san a problem eja brenya omu nyina me no kasei ebi wu eni ohia eba ne sen enra na me bomode ahwe eye veteran in the acting omo no mo acting industry ni manya musicians it's the Actors Guild in penifo bi ni ebi so mo question ni entia ekoba saa no esi bebre na when dia adia peak ye ka peak a omudum pempenso a adofo do mo ye yusu omu bebre twase ni na ye koba ne se ukoka Actors Guild asem chiroma omo bi za omo de ye de na be ya mom enti bebre wo hono ma sinitwa no asa ye yusu omu bio no na fe omu de America kodom kuo no o contribution wa yen so ya han enti ekoba ne say ha adwen we ye kakra former Actors Guild secretary obo omode si so dua ekire mpanyini na mame fa credit and Pharmacy News omantama ana me bo omode gather information kakra yi the boy atenase ebe me yapa se adwuma yi amaye yi make ka ko 15 mu na ewiye no adani bibia oho I know my children will curse me me mama ewa bedroom me eti ya papa ji din we nyina wantimi anya hwe wantimi anya hwe amayen the time is now Never be more Akwaaba.
Kwame Mejo so na ho ye.
Nyame adom.
Okay.
Medem. Medem to so
jira. Nyame asipa.
Ohwe me medem to so jira.
Yeah. Odwa no so amakroma ye de.
Yes, kroma ye shepa.
Anapa ne ko krom no.
Yeah, kroma ye she.
Me hu say ye de umbrella sensen krom.
Umbrella.
Say nsu to na akova ne pa. Yeah, kroma ye.
Na the boy ni am kan for a veterans yi ho ye no ma atwasini. Was no music industry, even entertainment industry anymore. Eko we actually overtina ebi chese omo we ye bibi ho. Nyumtini bi a wonim ni pa masa. Wedi de 4x4 ahodo na no dem. Chese bebre ebe we actually dampo. Me ase omo abaso ina nsen kura de omo hunyansa. Bebre na hunyansa fa adwen esi dan. Enye cars na no mo toto bebre na toto esi dan ebi tobi omo munsi tobi ya minim bia wonim se me ben omo afa
ze wadan fo ba ko no
enye no
okay no timoti sika 150 million koto mpa no
sana scan office e be bada
okay di Kwame I think say yin chete fo nyina bio I think say we as mimiti we bisa me ko be ka kire ene emofra na apprentice for no apprentice bi yesusu akropon e friend ko fimu
okay
mi yesusu no
okay
se minya bia se minya 3 cd po a me di to yeah and sometimes no on train mo bi ben kan jira o say I fa BBC na e do ba bia trimude ene wona mude e ka ho trimude
na no me obi ba me ho na me yi me money boss kire no
oh yeah
after her me osre na
yeah
me pie na me kwa abonten
Kwame
ye beka bia me ko hye me money boss
sika wa hu ye boabo no ansa na ye nya o so pese onya 1 billion wa be boabo no kakra depend on ye unya na e fa wonsem na o de bi asie me gidi say actors and actress ni nyina no Kwame ye tuo mu ka unko ni free
ye tuo ka no
Kwame ni sika be so
ye mo 500 cedis
Kwame sika be so unim sika ni be so hwe se unse gold e was ase enwu asase nani ba ye show ekotu o yire ho ansa na watu ntu ba yire ho abo ano hwe owura titi o kana asem yi ye mo fra na o ye advert ni ade ti ama no hwe because o ka se mi chere me say o ye popular na ni sika your how adamitim betine
that's yampa
etina makọ ya asori aba o masa manko ni free mama ni free so yes
we are popular now
no ni sika. Yeah, anointing without money is a disease. Etina papa na use na asam na Duncan William. Kona ko Kwame asoda na ase no eye pharmacy.
Esa bank kra
na wo. Wo nyare wa asore ho. E ma nkoto aduro wo krom. Ye be hwe ho. President asore bi wo. Adenta at victory. Mr. Kwame gym nyina wa asoda no gym na ka cho gym pharmacy nyina wo ho. Edi ye bobo sika oro titi na ne ba attachment wo one station be wo yes ne ba no ya attach me bi say na papa wo he me ka just say o papa popularity nyina want me and so wonsem amfa onko let me say one of the biggest and now station I can say bi no ja na o hwe me na na yes na di nie sa me boa o mi sa titi ba ne ba girl me ji say be ne ba panyi o ya attachment me say into papa popularity nyina Kwame edure bi at least you use your popularity to help yourself. It's the best way. Me gidi say enyo mo nkwa by the far side. That means say Mami Dokuro na host too. Rollins is the sponsor.
And I said Mami Dokuro is doing well.
Rokoto. And I'm going to say Rokoto is your here. Ewa aprade.
Okay.
Esu na aprade na esu na aprade. Aprade no wa sante. Side one Rokoto. Kwame and omunya sika the late na mpadu. Me hwani nyombi. Ghana for US by then. 87 no ebe fa no koye la me oba no amfa sapan ama ye be sre ya kwa US be den e be ko be so ye den unya kakra fa krasi yes unya kakra fa bi
si obi bo nwumi tom your radio si unya sika
yes
o ga nwum no enti no pani enya sebe obi anya ama na broso ana obi fi se owunya enti eno ani but wo hwa sania ye no magidin wo kire actors any musicians e bitimi gidin but wo be ko ebi ma system na yen
ebre mi sua de bi na say no me ska be si da na me ka kire
wo kire wo
me say na mo fra be school masa me boss we mo Amaniva na jam to me kotua. Since then, I say me. Sure. Kwame, bro.
Abrantie bi ba na me yi me penny boss so hwe me a.
And as someone with all this cash. Yeah, last year, every one more this sika a share penny box no. As someone number 1.
Obenya.
I didn't know this sika you wan echino as DBCA. Kwame okono obi to trouble no didia as what na ma. Me ka se me ni di o. Me ka sa mention because let me come ask me say Bible cross the deeper bro na no. It the bro nyina now be TV say o light bill what they cast 6 months.
4 months e twam.
Na TV say and na futu na mutu ye nya tie. Wa wutu me fo. O atechire me. O ye ohene, o ye wei, wa chichi kro sa oboa. Sa oboa. Kwame ai Schwarzenegger, ano Schwarzenegger no. Kwame okohwe ni mo maye okoka be ka se hoya buruchiri ase ye de nsabi nyakopon wa ma nyansa ni.
No, the same people so na bi wo industry ni mo nti bi sa onsa den na obi ti se Van Vika, obi ti se Jackie Apia, obi ti se Nadia Nom, Majid. No, they are these guys making it big.
Kwame
John DeMello to the level say your person here MP. So why? What happened to the others?
I'm kind of say one ni omu ye omu.
Wow.
And one Kwame ye Doreen Ando.
Yeah.
And one lady be or your own producer. No more bon come on meet or say omo koye no na nye rosary. Say ne ayefo no. Omo say nye rosary but they kept on keeping things down. What they are say? Yeah, Kwame no matter what it is. You have to brand for yourself. Kwame yentra enkosi you are say you me dey be America. I'll blend the MC, I'll blend the radio, I'll blend I'll blend the band. Ebedu baby no me present bio. Ebedu baby no ebia me produce bio. Ebedu but me on emeye to help others. Enti titi pa chama say wa mu bia wo industry ni mo. Yes,
that is the question. Because Sabio yempo aye shas ye enche bebre kra ye nim nkofo bi ebetimi ne yensa akiro
ka we
yaboa no po bedi hu adanse yaboa
ne on ne kobo computer laptop assembly 2500 laptop what do you
o de no enke no
what you say yo Kwame it all boils down to planning and timing.
That's right.
What you say and sometimes you know odu mpempesu bi ye ka se won na ontie mi ane bossu mi ane oga what you say me na za no be frame say Okoman my ade pa mo show na ye good mo nko so saa na mi sa ne say mo so mo bibia mo be boa ya na
enti no madam ase ni amese say enye acting ko ana show business ko adwuma bi a wo ye bia kai dache obi se dache na ne nde yes it's true but dachi
I'm here esi won sorry mu da if one man church see meaning bebre a
egu
enye ne gu asam kra asofo na ye mobo
na say apreku ko wi achi apreku my daughter no ye dey where is Apala for instance
Apala na mo ato Apala fa so da no to ma grada Apala weja yes
weja ja ko blogo ho
yeah computer man dem wo Apala yes Kwame and omo nipa de be meka omo nipa omo ho chi omo a am for sure omo sa then they are falling.
All right, anyway ya to aso dia ye momode yanko eye odwira odwira ba na finally eje bo nya bedu enne ye show odwira se
okay
enne ye show odwira
11th October
enne ye show odwira se eti yentie Madam Salome abra na samre yene no atwetwe nkomo yefa credit ma Okoman kasa omone ne kasa no program outline no abusia enie
this year we try and before everybody had something to do and a part to play to ensure that we can all celebrate our heritage together. Monday we're there coding classes. Coding classes is so the whole plan or the whole idea is that we'll teach kids to get interest in IT, in computer language and software development. And you not say about the show how to do it, but it's just to generate the interest because sometimes IT is allocated to men, and there are very smart girls also around. So the idea is to have classes with these kids to make sure we can generate interest from all angles. So that's from Monday, Monday and Tuesday for JHS students. All those who are interested can come and register at Okoman Radio. Code in Monday and Tuesday. Before we go to Wednesday, matter that before the Wednesday, I just wanted you to reiterate and Kwalana we are interested in the coding classes. I'm going to register with Okoman Radio Monday and Tuesday, so they can register this week so that we can start these classes on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, into Wednesday, we best start health screening. Wednesday, we need Ezeco Foundation for the breast cancer screening. Palace for Culture. Thursday, we need health screening will continue, but this time it's a general health screening. Yeah, on the same Thursday, there are other few activities. We are going to walk. So there's a health walk, right? We are going to walk from Okoman to Amanokro and then back. So everybody who's interested in walking and having fun, it's good for the health. It's good for the body. So we are calling on people to join us in this health walk. It's Thursday early morning. On the same Thursday, the A.K.A of football soccer tournament is starting. We have a 2-day soccer tournament. It's starting on Thursday and it's ending on Friday. So Thursday there will be the opening match. I think the Peter can tell you the team. Same Thursday, there is inter-school art exhibition. So there are selected schools there, 6 art pieces on how they interpret the Okoman, and we're going to exhibit these pieces at the Palace for people to go and take a look at it from Thursday. And the name is so jazz night or flavor. Yes. So that takes us to Friday. Friday, we're going to start the day by greening the road. So we're going to have a tree planting exercise led by A.K.A. So same Friday, we have an eye screening at the forecourt of the Palace. So all those who have eye problems, Lions Club is bringing their machines to come and test their eyes. And then we have inter-school quiz competition. And this is also happening at the forecourt of the Palace between 6 schools. So we are going to ask questions about history of Okoman, general affairs, about anything that is relevant for the kids. That's what we're going to be asking about. So the quiz is also going to be very exciting. All the schools are going to participate. So we encourage everybody to be part of this special fun. Yes. In the afternoon, there is Mr. and Miss Okoman Akwaaba. And then the football tournament award ceremony happens on the PTE field. Yes. So I think the final activity for Friday is beach soccer at Cinema Waterfall. And then in the evening, we have a flip bar live band plus Bubbles Entertainment jam at the forecourt of the Palace. Then we go to Saturday. So Saturday morning, we have 3-a-side basketball competition. We want to organize a playground for the kids to play. And then the biggest activity of Saturday is from dance competition. Okay, and then in the evening, there's a street jam in collaboration with Bubbles Entertainment, Okoman Radio, and the organizing team of Udra. So that's Saturday. There's always a lot of activities happening at Flavor as well, same time in the evening. And that takes us to Sunday. We finish the Saturday first before I go ahead. Thanksgiving service in the morning, and then after church, we are heading to Okoman Radio to have Umuto special fun time with Okoman Radio. And then in the evening, we have a boxing event at the forecourt of the Palace. That's how we climax the Sunday and the end of the Udra activity. So the boxing is the climax of the event.
Right, the boy.
Yeah, Kwame, boxing no. Boxing no mucho.
Me no.
Me give up.
What give you up?
Your mom knock out be a me sorry be. It's your mucho no. Mucho no there. Me register me ho.
All right.
Me register me ho.
All right, we entie activities and so through these commercials.
Afrishiapo, Afrishiapa. Afia chamfete abom pempa betu yembiu. ojura afia no ahia bi o every 11th October come 17th October okuapman betwa ojura joda edumfu ni abrafo bekọ akọbọ kwan ekoye ne no matra kan ya mamprobi brada no pa krubi fo be ya amane apai ode foforo na nanom bekọ amamprobi akoye amane akofo ojura abo okuapehine ahemfi ukuda okuapman besu akai nanom a afe no mu wokọ wonsumanchi yawda yokuapman adidida na obeya amane akonsori makoma nanom aduan yawda nara efi anopa no nsia kosi nonkrongo beko health work akotenetini won pom ni fida no anopa no odwikosi nomdu no obeko akoduadua nua wo magnim fida no ara dwumadi ahoro bi ti se ice screening beach soccer osade soccer tournament inter school quiz competition Mr. and Miss Okuapman ede ne ekeka memre da wode dwumadi bi ti se basketball competition weightlifting phantom from asan ho akukansi betu aso kwasida no Okuapin ne manfo beko akoda nyame ase na wo fi asore ba wode dwumadi bi ti se beach soccer nkabom street jams e wa abanganim na anwumre na otwe copy nduba akono wode akuturu bo akansi ahyehyɛ so dwumadi asɛmti a ɛda so ne sɛ yenam amane ne amamre kwan so ereko Okuapman bom so man bi akon Okuapin ne osiade akwasi akufu a otoso abiesa kufu sabere mpomkuku abene ananse owo apem osubroni e wa ho fedru na kwase bosompra na oni akramoni abrempong na edi asi ka ho sɛ biri kotobiri ja ne manfu so mama freshia po mfingu mu mfeso akwahosan openya nkomu ahoden nko na batape manko na batadi nwintu apenti mfindu nsin de be kukunuya no mosi muti ase no de sika kokɔ de de achichiro Okuapman ye krabehwe Okuapman ti ase
Okuapman ti ase
yeah Kwame I think say applause for ne one more account Okoman radio ne yemu bia ba so Kwame niema say enema ehu say ye ka say bia we ti ase a bia ne ti ase
Okuapman ti ase
yeah ohwe senior clean up exercise I'm sorry for
me. Mama nda mpeni na me wo ho me betwa mu but na me ko baby kakra ntino tell na me chia shake and sofo and me hu say osambrom assemblyman ono so man so na Carlos me hu so munyina didi mu na munyina ma ya de na me hira munyina mumoni adwuma
I think say obia never me come asem bi say obia meye Ghana yie maya na ba bia ofi no se me fi aprede ene achem ne adukrom obia meye ho yie maya da
dabi
wo se general manager krom na bia o ka se kwawu anya obi na koye kwawu no mu kwawu for na translate e beye kwawu and they supported with their osikani bia anase onunyanfo bia nyame ato ne all radio station and omunyina kwa ho no mu e be sere obia nsom ankodwurei because Ojowe Ogropon no ebe say mother of all na nka fo ni dim etina efia na ekọ na efia na ekọ man fi home base no South Africa sa asem no opia ya na nka aye kama na ke nyina de ho agim
ejina so aka che enkronkro aka
yes
e ma ne nkoye se Okuapman de pe ene ye pia mundi kan fa letters no ne eyi ne marantam
mehu adukrom de wo so Facebook social media ne ade good
momrantam
mami anya say bi o ye fi wonti hu aba beka there be say fi wonti this unless they work here no one for be dia no baba then you see the way why
monya ne ntam
yes
we ya ne ntam ani
e push ne ekọ
na akoye bi ho enti no ojro ya de asem sebesi enje ya de Okoman court bebrel nene Okoman court na de we meti ya nam si egusu wo ho ene sa tribalism we fia ontimi ware hani we fia ontimi ware nam si ensem kosupa o stay tuned there's a many more coming up
Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1
to back on ya kaku about that panel on ya tusa the mana kwaba razama kisu mana ko razama papa
97.1 FM is rocking we are blazing
so what you busy my from sampa it's all about the buff niggas of the her inki kemu heba baby abo fraba I feel good, menya honka. Awesome, the good God, nyame papa. Hey, about a sex machine. I don't know, suruku day, na warenyim. sex machine. I don't know, na surukudi na warenyi. Besia na soya ra APC. Some kwajibu. Benyi na soya ra codeine. Eba. And say so brother min soya ra warenyi. Some kwajibu. Besia na soya ra APC. Some kwajibu. Benyi na soya ra codeine. Eba. And say so brother min soya ra warenyi. Mama says so, a bad day, Ransa Panta, Dokun, War Horse, Mama to Dokun, I say that Sumana, pain, yay. Sumana, Zamaki, Sumana,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Mr. Tunful wants to see a James Brown. And he like your poor Gary too much. Get it now. Call him soul. Amadan soul. Brother treating soul. Gary Potter soul. I check it.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Mr. Tunful wants to see
Okoman Radio. Okriapimayano.
You are going to from Dr. Benson Opoku, Kofarabai of Okoman FM. Kofarabai of Shoe Fabric, Kofarabai of Agro Farms, and a Bakubia, Esana Baso, Pamoso, Education, Dino, Epetuga, Afiason, Ibitudra, Mema, Nananum, Afishiapa, Ukapemia, Afishiapa. I am for work, we are coming in and will be Biara Afishiapa, or driver betray, Master say. Obi biara wodo kwa member radio Jurano oba fa dwene pa kuma pa February kronde edisabia na akronfona ba pa nkofofon so yade na afidie mi so opa o me asem dia oba bobo krom wo chiro nyobi no yei me mo bi bia pa obi biara oba bia no onhwe no musuye na me adoma ojoda ya woda ye bobo ball ojoda fida ni abo finance eye top 4 ani e bobo ewo college park so a ye fam PTC a obia enim ye ba ye sre se obia mra no mehwebi se na enko fefefe se na nanu ya fi etwa mu no eye last year ni na ye boy no eye no sa pepe enu mutofo na ye rebo idure enti no bibia na mra no bia so ba se na medical kan hwo so ye wo se mu asan akọ wa so ye ofi bai pepepe Bimo bibia afishiapa afeti se ne etia se ne asan ahia bio me do bibia na ase
Mama na sama kwa zama zama na kwa ba zama na zama je sama kwa heba aguna shiri ja chiwole ni ya obenkwe heba
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Ja won pinjana about the mitri o se ja won pinjana obama wodo If you lose your God for yourself, they're gonna boo you. If you lose your God for yourself, about the mitri, hey, yeah,
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yes. It in a ground. Okay, you will run. I'm going to go. But I keep you out. Keep it. I'm not trying to free. Yes.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yes.
Okoman Radio.
What I to see you want to bano. Salad you want to bana.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
I don't come and pierce your banner by family. I don't need more mama. I don't need more bro. I don't come and pierce your banner by family.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
I don't know what is the cancer. I don't know what is the party. On the body, yet in a room. On your ministry, I don't say it to me, say no. I don't come and pierce your banner by family. Oh, Lizzie, it's beautiful. Yes, Adenkum piesi ebra na befa me ekwe. Befa me ekwe. Befa me ekwe. Adenkum piesi ebra na befa me ekwe. Oh, Robert Pitu. I wanna win Obama bread. The Mishra.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
So this year the one, was a trend I guess you can say. Come on with me, and as you will bring the news in your power. What can I make? Since I see you and the man was something for now, you can. I don't come with you, oh, I be messed up. You gotta sing a million times. Sakaya Okoman Akwaaba to me sway. I'm going away with that in our balance. Make you want to see me when I'm out. I don't come to get you a brand up for me. Yes, you want your way. We are the Okoman
Radio 97.1.
I don't guess you brand up for me. I don't guess you brand up for me.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, yes, baby. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Within the A.K.A Castro, no Mandela Market, a one me watching Castro Baco no size. Okoman for my de papa, me film. Okoman for my monkey be woo. Oh, Okoman for my Jenina, Mumone yo, Yamma Jumapa, and then the palm of the abo man you. Yes, you could have sing tree.
Pesamika said, Mimi feel who are you judge yourself. Okoman, you should not the power.
Nanajua Ekropon, DBMT Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, the Jew A.K.A mine. DBMT 97.1. Okoman.
You Okoman Moda Mufia, Maba Montana. You Okoman Moda Mufia, Maba Montana.
Okoman A.K.A for Sunni. You can come nearby. Okoman Diniya Okoman. Okoman Okoman A.K.A for Sunni. Okoman. You can come nearby. Okoman.
Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon frère Yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da edasi. Assalamu alaikum Okoman Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon frère Yaro. Munti Okoman Radio da edasi.
Ayame Adley Dubu, me war Parliament Sports. Mine Okoman Radio nhwenim. Me wireless take ya no go yo and the phone do Okoman. Timisire mu amuti Okoman na so bia ti o body them pa damase.
Yo, Okoman FM. Why you say, Opleke Jan Edu, and say follow my friend. Yo, radio Bakoped, Pese Utia, intimate to be a fat Okoman FM 97.1. Hi, we size.
Okoman Radio, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Mieja kase Okoman asofua chumori ejije le to bare to bu afa pa Okoman Radio 97.1.
Send them a good changes. Marine can't heal. I'm on saying my yawa. Sankaiza my amawa. Say who's a my amawa.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Hey.
are blazing. Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Okoman A.K.A for you can remember. Okoman ya dini yangu Okoman be kuwaji Okoman A.K.A for you Okoman udu akwa pe man na ti
Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Naso apo nyi bieno, onyame no preno, seja mi ana ube awo chen. Me pia dance as there. Obi mpia, monye obi jo. Samaya dada wa mawa, meye pupra mobi, achara wana fi chen.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio, 97.1. Station with your man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1.
And it's exactly 29 after 5. And now your 11th day in the month of October 2021. And this is the safest drive, Akwaaba Drive. You're from in Kwame Mpere A.K.A. But me from the finest. And remember, you know, catch you in me. A taxi driver, trotro driver, bar owner, sister na bibi aboko, the executive pap, eze. Na minchia one ginola. A ginola bibi aboko there. Chairman you. And greetings going out to you, Okoman Brothers Association. Large up yourself. Hopefully we have a party tonight. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Give it to them. Give it to them. Give it to them. Give it to them. 4 more. 4 more. 1, 2. Hey boy, we. Na me kai sorry. Ejuma ku aka se odrabre eyeye nyina ye koko season se wote ne prekope ye no mo pebo ebenya boy omo mo pege ebenya ge omo nso asamre omo betwempra omo so ombe ye evangelism any crusade afan be ye ojira de na esa ye ne oho Na me hwesa ne Kwame Akwaaba ya. Eni odwira wu be di papa. The boy nso abomodi ade eye. Ghana nyina abo ne bui. Ochre eye amansansi ampa. Oye connected to the presidency. Na when I be with you, small boy with a pumpum. Now we were sending a guess ya come when you chi. Omo my rasta Apani guess. Ready Beyonce ni and Apani guess. Apani guess kum Beyonce. Eji achisa apache. Ofia High Street by the papa. Samson a chill out by the papa. Maminchia the CEO of the filling station check the bowl. Naminchia aye Emmanuel Bossier A.K.A Fabiola. Abi you know how we dey do am. Afe nana infojo ewo office pap. Eze. Naminchia me di officer. Enkwankwan ni ase. Ebesu. Shout out to level 3. Shout out to Flipper. Nana Kwanta Bisa. Wagwan in Kwanta. Abushia mami mama dia. Na minchia ensunya me e choba. Woman fi ekwapem. Ofo. Tere dengo. The boy say akokonza. And I know takre matches no. Takre. I'm saying the boy when go be at you. Anyway, mami nko na meni abedwafo ko kasa. Unya bibi aboko de.
Anya group on the muro.
O say
nya group on the muro ma.
Asembai.
Nya group on the duruma.
Anya shambiara bruda. Mi na masha abara misimba ware no.
Where's your wine?
Mbashambara no.
Abayoa.
Yeah.
Oh, I know can say.
Mbaro no. Yeah, na mishimba ware no. Auntie minina ya line no nyina na wagetom.
Won ne ye dey.
Minina ya line.
Line ben, mobile phone line na.
Nkopie no.
Okopie no.
Yeah.
And also ye dey.
Nkopie no.
Ope no.
Yeah, nkopie no na wagetom.
Wa pie no.
Okay.
Nkopie no no wagetom. Auntie wakajira me say wano no wanka suko nti wabasi ajema. Nti ase ba ya.
Obesua de.
Wabasi ajema.
Okay.
Aha.
Adwuma wo.
Ase wabasi ajema.
Obesua adwuma.
Aha. Nti maka asam no wanti. Chono to manti ni ye. Manya chone.
Abranti ehwe no anya me ka.
Mini manya chone.
Enti no wo ka esa me mamfo ti ase ya wo ka no.
Me shiratifo no. Me shiratifo me chone wanye. Me makasa no me ye.
Wanya kura maba oya.
Mini meti ya no me ye frefrani.
Okay.
What you say? Me fi borega ne tongo. Mi mama fi borega na mi papa fi tongo. Anti mba ya ajima no. Ana mba sha arai. O kropon ha. Na mo mba ware no. Na wa shi wanu no. Wanyi nti abasi yijima. Na mbe say
Wasi onyi ye.
Anti basi yijima.
Anti obesu adwuma.
Anti wasi yijima no yiye a. Na mi pa na makaya no. Ni humudi na se wadi yo se engagement is a bibi no namba ye. Nti mbaji tum. Nti mafie no, mina mafie no bibia.
Wana wahwe no.
Mafie no.
Okay.
Mafie no na jima no last minute no wa ye. Last month
no.
Okay. Correct. Na wa ye jima no. Nti wa ye jima ma ze chuna no me say, "Oh, se ade mbate, mbakwa humbusia, na mbato nsakakra, mbato deke, mbato krokro, mbato konfe, na fem de kwa ya hu de. Na fem mbakwa fie no, ni wo fane ni. Manino kra.
Kwame.
Waba no na wasi ukaje
me no onhwe ye na nensa edumani ma meka nensa Kwame
minima ya frafra ni
papa
minima ya frafra ni
Kwame onhwe ye
uti mu ware wan gintun
aso prima o
ya minima ya frafra ni wan gintun
aso wo ya frafra ni to ma ware ni
to
o ma ware ni ne ba no
woyo
okay
nti wan gintun na me samina ma shabu franu ko ajima Monday Tuesday Wednesday Friday mina ma cha ni nyina Nti wo ka se wonje ntuma. Maya frafra ni ti wonje. Frafra ni wanya ni bi.
Oye ni pi.
Frafra ni wanya ni bi.
What's oye dai?
Frafra ni wanya ni bi.
Oye ni pi.
Oye ni pa.
Aha. To. Frafra ni wanya ni bi.
Oye ni pa.
To. Anti wa ka cha mi se, wa ba ti asika no. Ni ami fa ni mi fa.
So be do be ti asika.
Wa ba ti asika no. Aha. Na misika mi di fa abufra no wajima no. Wa ba ti ani nyina.
Na se sika wo de hwe abayewe no.
To.
Odi ni nyina be
ba. To. Wa ba ti na me say no. What yo? Anya sika na ma fife.
Anya sika na rere.
Ma fife sika no.
Na rere dey.
Me ya gari no.
O rere.
Ha. Na me say mba ware. Anti one fat sika na fa gari ni mami. Na me ware. Na she sta no to me na so wape. Na so wan pe biara.
Mami mi sa na sema ne wo fa no so. Oyima na etesei.
Pacho ye.
Wo pe wukunu.
Pacho me pen. Obi eni obi a me ni dan anim.
Asam na.
Ohwe no na wo fa ya we so no ohwe.
Me wo fa no kra de me pese ye be kana asem. E se me wie school no. Wan fa man ko ba bia. Na me hye obi na se wa boa me last month pe metumi esua adwuma ye wie kra. Wa pe container bi ama me enche me kwa akohyem. Na me de adwene me. Na fe abranti me de no kofi a wo se oye frafra ni nti ompene.
Ase oye frafra ni nti ompene.
Nti ompene aware no so.
What's it? What's why there?
My frafrani my kramai.
Now we kramai.
Oh, me kram na nchini kramai.
Oh, kram na nchini.
Yeah, to. Me kram na nchini amnu. Ani ni kramai nya kramai nam kakra na watutu na wabani ya. Now this afu gahu ha. Au wadai.
Wafa
Kwame.
Mechiao.
Kwame beje oso.
Wafa na ade na obu afu okoko apaya obia pata okra ompese obeti asi wafa.
Kwame masem yetia. Me wafa asini me bra panyi ba.
Okay.
Ana Kwame me owa na me nyankra. Say me wafa asino ware. Ana so pese ware.
Okay.
Enti wo de be ma ne ba fie.
Okay.
Ba Kwame abusua bia wo we. Abusua no wo ne a. Ope ne ne ompe. Eti mi ma abusua no. Ne empe ne se ye be wa kware howo e de aba abusua num.
Na ko nware henwan.
Ye mpa howo.
Ahowo be ahowo sese so ko wari obi wo tise kropo na ko wari obi wo dewa e wo mse ye kwapemfo ba wa wari krofufuro so ni
eno yenye no ye busu anu anu nim enti mete se me wo fa ase na ye ko ware
so yo kropo ni so wari kropo ni
sa pepepe mete se me wo fa na ye ko ware eye frafrani no
okay
me so sania me bra no aka de ato odeda ama me so ma tibi eni se ye busu anu sa de enya dey enko so enti aware no pam no twam no e wo sa aware ne ba wie sika na papa ne so de ahwe eye me wo fa ase no
okay
ma bobo ni nyina no Kwame e bo hu makoma empren edu
eno no wo fa ase ne ma hu amount of the man we bia no
no fa ase na calculation ni nyina na say me bon empren edu e de ama papa no
wo betua ne 10 times
me tua ne 10 times e de ama papa no aware ne de
Kwame
meji aware ne tumu na
abanyi kukuri
ahwe aname na ye de ama me kura nso me wasase su ama ma firim Kwame enti ambra we fie no ya busu anu no enti Kwame masem tietietia eno no sika ne ye bon empire e de ama no so se yenya na adu no kura Kwame my ready se me ne sa de ama no pepepe
na unua ba nso bu afupa ni okay otomi ana oso bekumi
mantasie
Kwame aware ya busu anu na ware era busu ba ko ne se nya de obeti ase a e wo se sa aware ni ejai na me wo fa se ne ka se me man hwa no Kwame me nti kowa ana mi ni Ghana ha nti mi akwantu na na wo eti ko ba se ne papa ni wo no mi na ma de ya ja
mi ma to kwa fi borigi ma to kwa fi frafra ma ba
aware ya mpene so de Kwame enya de betimi aba so da aware ya mpene so enya de Kwame betimi aba so da
ada ahihye na
ya busu mu se krama ya yibi o te papa no so omo ye krama ye krama we ya busu mu
klimanu ayaya nam
oti wa hwa na me nana no ma sa me wo fa ye ba wo mo nyina be ye omo be ye krama ye so ye krama
anyankopon se wa hyira bibiara so
bulldog
ye krama Kwame
wa ya godmate
den dog
wa ya bulldog wa ya godmate ana wa
krama enti
anam hodin wo na wa ni sa godmate no wa yibi macha Messi ma fani gado no ma chano aka me pa
Kwame no de enwu enye no
osi ono lope
frafra ni manye ne pe Kwame say me see
asoma ne wofa no kan de ma mentasio
me say Kwame enye no enenia
mimi how ni na ne say wo sesese a sika no be bo ho mpendu
edu mo padu onukura me de be mam
nam ho a me nya adwuma bi anya no wan fa ma nkwan kosie
Kwame me wan fa si nim say me na me ni Ghana aha eti me papa free mu no e wa say me na be na eja me na be na eja
right mami matie for emram na atie for madwen kire emra enti no mesra mo eye Facebook ubetimi do comment afa ho eye Okoman 97.1 Okoman 97.1 Facebook Instagram eye Okoman 97.1 and for uko Twitter so eye Okoman 97.1 uko eye Instagram eye Okoman 97.1 YouTube eye Okoman 97.1 but you studio lines in you ubetimi afre na wo de wadwenche e de aba ofai onya no wofasi no nware papai na onya we ya bogani we ni chese abai wanu kra so ope bogani ni ope ni sa wo fa so de bi sika bia o de hwe ni bi obebo ho du e de ama no 0270191971 0270191971 studio line in you 0270191971 mami for frefo di ka wa homa no so hello
Ayawua The Phynest na Kwame Mpere.
Yes sir mpacha wana mne ne ka say
ebi wo ufi
ba kope
no size minia
Okoman ni
o kwapimanga no
ode chiche wadwe wasemi o
minia o he se ni akoya wo ho ya fa ne say egori ba esi da bia wo na ade a branch ne pesa o kire no maintenance o abrochi no won abudi atu kwan ne kwa mo ba ma ne abu sawo jase ana ne papa no so watena ase ama branch abomodin a kire oni yuro mu de ne ba na su egu odi nu su egu na oni wo hu ejida no pesa o kire otutu ama o de chopa ni zo mo ni dinga na onye sika ne na wo kena kan onwaro ne ba no
okay mati mami fo bi wa odi shebe ni
ana Kwame Mpere
eja kwam tele ni ana
ayo ya boss
na Sina Junction to say
Sina Junction ya bokopa
Okoman ni
akwa pamaya no
ade cheche wadwe wasemi o
ai we de minia na papa ne no na kwani wayade by the way no man no ofa na anyade aso man no wa because me o hwe no wa tadi ni koso bebre be anye a good practice anye correct because wa hwe na ma fi odi so wa gya no so person wa no so me man wa dadi
mate me da say odi shebe ni
hello
odi shebe ni
aha madini
o kasafi
makashafi churonya
so manya boko de
shobe na waya baka
me ba choche wadwe wasemi o
shobe na waka de shobe be ma wanyankpadore no
okay etu de uwo ayi ebogani na fa o
mikro mi nyipa no mikro mi
shobe na waka de shobe wanyakwa shobe be shara wayere wanye iti yere de be ma bacha no
awuni
to magwa
mate me da say me usa wa charge pa ofa tobo na asemna no ayedi senia asemna no ayedi ofa charge wa say
mo de ade asie
okay
na afei ana apie ani ase ye mpene so
mame mfo bi wa homa so de shebe ni
That's all. FM vehicle.
Oka safi
First class.
Na first class boko de mama Vic.
Nyame adumo.
Okoman ni.
Okwapmaya no.
Ade cheche wadwe wasemi o.
Me pamuchewo. Asama ya no wa family di na ide me nchase. Duwa wo abrochira wo access to everything. To say unua no kura enwu a menyi ni tanka even Ghana kwa bebe biem. Uri any we na fe na aba be di post be se o man ante sam ni o meri matam. ɛne deɛ ɛrenyɛ adwuma deɛ ɔne sɛ papa no anɔpɛ no ɔmpɔ barima biaa nti ɔno anɔpɛ no
munya abusuani obɛhyira so abusua no obia ni wɔbɛba saa awareɛ no abusua no obia ma saa awareɛ no yɛnye mu nsa ayi glass baako koraa.
Okay, 0270191971 0270191971. You know,
better me wafa say ekwan ayewe kraman sen.
And then also be mu da be offer.
Kwame.
Wafa na den na.
No want say owura ne say kraman na ye omukro mu na ntwi.
Na men na opepa.
Kwame nam de yi kraman kan.
Offer na men pa na ape.
And now the yi kraman kan.
And na say offer na men na ope.
Me nya Akro Farms en kokọ papa bia.
Me so me nwe akokọ nti e ben den.
Ani a obere no kope onkofo a woni omori.
Asama waka no.
Kwame onko ware. Ni kuro mu ni one ne bewe saa na mo. Yan we.
Anya ya kuro. Anya ya kuro mu na.
Obi wa, odi che be ni.
Pacho Hanani.
Hana Kasafi.
Pacho me Kasafi first.
Okay, but money a che wadwe wasemi o.
Pacho minya bia no wo fa no de me no nya adwin. Also, Okoman inti Mpene so na wo mo we mpotro no so e.
Why potro?
Uko chemena fu no why potro ba kokra me ne nya adwin.
Yo, Martin. Na sabio wafa unhu se abrante kura we kraman. Wadwin ene
Kwame wa fidie so na abrante na edi tu dwa se.
Mante.
Also omukro mu enam a esombo e wo kro mu wo ene kraman.
Okay.
Kraman so de the kraman wo tifie yan kraman
Hifa na wo free ba
suru na ntwe na suru kraman
na wo wa ha
na kraman be po wo Kwame dabi ya me ma me wo fa se bi nkopo wo
Right.
027019.
And wo fa se etifie anu me yi mama se me ma na ko boda Kwame
asema waka no man tiahye.
Okay, mami misa abrante yasem sabe obey fi abusuam
to
enti abusuam na abekwa akogye no
woyo
wo fanso a waka wachi asabre o se ono an na rija wari o so mpre
ofa mani
o se
ofa no mani
mentini aka
me se ofa no mani no
unim no
aha
onim wo
mani no ndano waba no baka se ono no tibro kire na me se chimina no fo za wa ye potro
okay
chimina fo no
anti wo ware wo ho China fo no ware wo ho
China fo na wo yo and also China fo
ware potro wo ware wo ho
wa ye potro
wo ware wo ho Kwame
me man fa nkura
all right say see no ekoba ne say what for still on prayer? What is the next action?
My father for Sala. Me say kamanji. Ma
enya wa fa nkoya ne me wa fa wo abusiani ya wa other people when me papa cry na asama ansa
Kwame me the last man standing me ka saani a ana ware ne baso
okay
me ka saani ana ware ne baso me the last person me na me bra no yede abawe ni jame
okay
enti me na me ka saani a na abawe itifia se me man koboda
one tia sama waka no
ase me hwe ne da
one tia sama waka no Ose
school no wan fa wani mpa
come hwa abawe ya me na me bra hwa abawe ya na otifia no se
wanyim bibi
esa so wakonya bema me ya president no ase
me ba wofa ma obia nkasa baako ne nti asem na
abia ni baako ne yantie ne amafuru kan
wo bibi kan
so
kawasem
ba ne be ko adwuma no 3 years mina mafa elon ka nyina
3 years
yeah mina abaka adwuma no mbadi de ani bia chok abasha tari no mi
wano
abajare no mi
wo be hu abusuani bi
pisi de abachichi ni zin mi
fa me hu obi ba na wani je no wa sa be bo abusuan ma ni o be bo amani asa na obo ka no
uti bu de je wonya banti na oda minimum na
Kwame kra me da bonte kra sisi me de kakraba me da bonte kra me de kakraba
eno de atwesan ne ba na aba be ware no na wo ye de koka se obi a wo be ware ne papa se bi oda brochire ayi abonti
Kwame wo de me da brochire kra me se me wo fa se na me ene de abawe na jame
okay
enti abusuan no yesi yampene ama sa ware ne maso
wo enti na wo kasa ma abusuan no
me kasa ma abusuan no enti na wo ntumi san me ho enkwa bibia
abranti rebu amina na abusuan fo
abusuan kra che ne me
won ani je no ho because o yen siafo obua me One na time out ya brochiri kra one what ya busuan fin na odigwa kra obre won.
O de maani yedin.
Enkate nanchunam.
Mrs. Akwaka jam say.
O ya kra na nje o mafio. Ani obedi na ti akọ.
Inkuto.
Kofi Kuruma o ya talk.
Na
wafa waka na de me say. Abanye kokore.
Katra abanye ise anko pe oba afoforo ma
abanye kokore manti ahye.
Anko po ba afoforo ma.
Araba we fa.
Esa say yen de ne de. No. Dabi.
Koko na ha.
Samine.
Asama wafa waka na de. Manti ahye.
Anya frafra na ba yen watch ma.
Ahu biribi. Papa.
Kwame o de bisan say ebia sabi owo kro omo we ebia no bra kan ayi krama no
managing no anyami ana ba ya ofi na kranfu mba ya wo si managing
say wo ade no wo yesie
me frafra ni
wo yesie ese ansa wonimu say
managing say
o ba
managing say
me wo fa se de bo amane e ka kire ba wo so be ya ade na asie eti ebi ba bi mu be den a nkrofo be ka bi ama unti na wa den na wanya ho wa
right 0270191971. Mami fa my last two callers. Over.
This is for one simbiara mani jimi ho.
Over here.
One simbiara.
Oni dey.
One sim.
Oni asemia.
Yeah, to.
Into ama onye dey.
Wo yo mani jimi ho.
Ama onye ho.
Ni jimi ho.
I was here way AC was studio mu hai. Asa agro. But aya serious pa. Me hwesa ni abrantie ni abre. Hwesa ni oba yi de nsa to ni kuruko mu. Na ni sister nso oze
ya no.
Oba no.
Ni o metimi aya.
No ane yo yi.
Mapanasam kake.
Ope wasem.
Mapanasam.
Wo pena.
O de ti omo jeje wo de wa ko wie ba bian yo. Wo de ti omo.
Anyembribi. Dano mama ne no nantwe. Katie. Bayere. Mala. Na mayai.
Me say nantwe nam kwa na oba ready a maba sika ba bebre.
Ma wa ya
betimi atobi kra ma ya yo.
Me bo wo fa say si ya no. Me de anka ni odwampe e na odi ni fufu e dey. Ebo. Akoye say si ya nipa in question. Ana nipa ya Mami for frefo yo wa. Me pa cho odi chebe ni.
Asa me de Esther.
Esther Kasafi. Kwamoso boko de Esther.
Takeyo.
Okuma ni.
Opi atomaya no.
Odi chiche wadwe wasemi o.
Me pese mi sabra ne se. So yo no ana konya oba na nkokoko waren. Ana nkoye fafeni. Ana oba na busafu se won pena. Nkobe pa na.
Kwame.
Ne da kwa ko di ma ko be pa na. Inti.
Kwame me hu oba na mani gine ho a e wo se me ko hu abusuafo ansa. Me nkobo kansie na akire ya wo ka kire me se enya de oba na metimi awa na ayi. Inani.
Ya waka juma no wa hu.
Inani. Wo de ni su adwuma be. Tre no jiska e wo ye ho so e de kwa adwuma.
Mate me da say me de afrofo ni besi ha enne. Me de afrofo ni besi. Obiara dey.
Kwari akwa besi me say obiara ni musa me na mboka.
Obiara yana ni dim.
Kwari a.
Eni oboka ko fo mu
ya. Kofi obisa mbofra nyina na Kofi Kuruma ni na mutunyu mame.
Yefu na Kofi
Kuruma ni awo efuri ba ya da wo. Kofi Kuruma.
Mami for me last call. Odi shebe ni.
Ya frama bla Kasafi ko.
O Kasafi.
Koko
ase boko di abina.
Woko.
Odo fo kire wadwe wasemi o.
Miti ase wengele nso.
Ajo so.
Me ba che na no fa no wie no akwa wetu ana o santi na Ghana.
Asemo.
Ose
wi atena Ghana ha na ase wo kwa abrochiri.
Kwame me san ko. Ana sa me nhira ware ne so a ene emfa ho sa me wa abrochiri ana sa me wo Ghana.
Na du kwa fa se ne beko.
No fast opa onko abusia ni bia ni wo beta na chi. Obetimi enanyi mekura. Yes so ifi akra me se ma ma fi onti. One ne nko. Opa om nko.
Frafu ye ni pa na.
Wo ye ni pa ba yen ye nware frafra ni. Simple. Oso ono so yene den. Odo ne kuru ni ase ya mpene so ya beje aware no. Ono akasa no kra ya mamra mu kra nyesa okope ayi cola ana besia ne ayi keke ya mamra mu emu eduru. Aso ono oye ne de ne te se omo fa frade ne du. Ano kra ya ni nyo.
Sabre you no ye. O say on fie ne no ye.
Ah ohwe na no ye. Na mo ka ne say.
On ba fie na no. Onfina no ye.
Okami onfina no ye na so onfina no.
No.
Ana ohwe no.
Aha. Why share na no.
Na kwa me ka say kura ye my bed atika say.
Kwanti se mi onye ya.
Ah radio no an ye twetwa mu ayi Okoma na.
Abusia me de afrofo no asi meba. Me de afrofo no asi. Me de obi biara ofre bia ase. Na abri biara ye di dwumade yi na me bisa se edie ne asua asem a wasua ewom eyade ekoso we kro we suni we fi ha ye nware san krofu mani nye ye even within krona kasakra no we fi ha efi ha de ye nware wa ha efi ha ti say we ti say mama chance ye mfi ohima so ohima de no wasua fi ade we mu
mi ankasa na ni amesua mfi mu ne say odo say na oberima no obefie busuafo hunede but we hu wofa no enti ade ba ko e bia wofa no beka ebeye nyina so amane de akase wo ene na ompene se obi e hu no na obi a me papa wi ni e de me hye ne nsa so we hu ne de a na che se
why adwuma hu no
and a second thing nso me ka se aya se nkrofo hu anase mo fra na obi opa wadu na ware me so ohu obi na nani gye ne ho a and what's a preoccupant now? Busianu who na says baby ofi any castle cantino mom penny. You say any nipa baku into moon and would any better form. So do I can yati. Into Irish as any be or berryman and no bianity.
Okay.
Nansan and wedging so aka so yen penny hour and now if I do fear brochure by our when you bought the
right. Mammy got the boy. Also tell dear
say. Asemu ya na beda adwa mu edu no kwasem ne se anza bi before na Ghana for no yete se obi efi agburuchire be ware e ba ye na Kofi Guruma ofi America no be ware a e bi go te okwa ngadi ni picture beba na akoye ho wedding etimi ya ye ho serve yourself na ni picture ke go na dia bawo we ni pa no su ni aware na se bi what America and what Jamaica and what London na ni picture na ya draw fa na ya besi ho na anom ho nsa je ho sika we de ohu nipa no wose wo mpe no mi wa so nkra no omo nipa da ese odoko ne a odowo obi ntunto nsa enhira nebusuefo good entino enti ano we as na be ye ese you as be global village entino at least so nipa no hu no so if friend new say the gat new the subject matter ne say onipa no betumi ahwe no
right
that's all
right
me that say no say no ano
me that say also for summary oyima also
kwasi abudi enye
nti wo de ohun se kwasi abu na
what I say kwasi abu wo set to send my sister kan come ya kan feel but wa candidate o kwasi abudi enye nti okono oba na ohwe no otatare ma no tia ne lorry fare obedidi ni nyina mu nim se mo obabia mo mpem misa se obabia wo ye wo ho den wudidi den wo da he eno de mo mfa nhwe na mu onam ho nyina sebe o se one na hyiam na eno de na mo anhu se bi o rekrama na ma ato sebe eno de mo anhu na mo hye ni wie adu aware ne so de a da bi yenye ne sa kwase ebu de ye
nana
Kwame ye nyina ekon atia ye kind racism say bia ye yi nipam enti say the sane ma yi ekoso ewo ye fidue ma na say aware mu ni ma
tribalism
I say nipa yi mu still
racism
we ye nipa yi mu I say wo pewe ade ekoso ne nyina ye kon atia enti e wo say nyina hwe enwu ye na say yi no ye yi fi wo because